So are you on your way to the Westin Kierland Villas here in Scottsdale, Arizona? And maybe you're looking to stay in a one-bedroom premium? Well, stick around. I'm going to show you ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, heading in here and taking a look at our one-bedroom premium villa here at the Westin Kierland Villas in Scottsdale, Arizona. I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't own timeshare, but you love staying, and the lights just went out. Okay, I had to move outside. But you love staying at these fantastic and beautiful timeshare properties. I also do villa tours, resort views, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're gonna go in and check out our one-bedroom premium villa here at the Westin Kierland Villas. As we head inside the villa, the first thing we're gonna come across behind these closet doors is the in-room laundry. Stacked washer and dryer here. It's perfect to get you through your stay, get those clothes cleaned up before you head back home. As we continue into the villa here, we're gonna come across the kitchen. Pretty big kitchen, but it is missing one key component that I'll point out here in a little bit. A nice deep double sink here. You do have a cooktop range and other small appliances. But like I mentioned, one thing is missing, and that just happens to be a conventional oven. The microwave, though, apparently is also convection, but I have not really had much luck cooking anything in a convection microwave oven. As we check out the cabinets and drawers, you're going to find we have a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 6 people. As well as silverware and other cooking utensils. And in this drawer here, we have that horrible glass cutting board. I don't get it. They need to replace that with something a lot better. Under the countertops, you do have some additional cookware, though I don't know why, there is no oven, and a full set of pots and pans and a kettle. And what kitchen wouldn't be complete without a refrigerator? And this one here has lots of room, a set of double doors. Down at the bottom, you're going to find the freezer with an ice maker, which for some reason ours didn't seem to work the whole time we were there. And of course, you also have the dishwasher. Now as we move into the living room and dining room area, you're going to notice a dining room table in addition to a couple of stools that kind of face up to the bar. But the dining room table does have 6 chairs and a pretty good sized table. Nice design here, really nice overhead light there as well, and some additional kind of art pieces hung on the wall. Across from the dining room table, we do have a pretty large console. That is what it's called. I actually looked it up. It does have quite a bit of storage, some nice artwork, a pretty good lamp. I found this was actually a pretty good place to plug in all my electrical items that needed to be charged, though it was a little bit difficult getting to the plug-in behind there. Now let's head in and take a look at the living room. A really nice large sofa with an ottoman and some great artwork on the wall. This has been really nicely done in here. You do have a large chair, a side table, a coffee table, as well as this other kind of table that really doesn't have a lot of utility because it would not go over top of your legs unless you had some really skinny legs. Now we also do have a large entertainment center here with a large flat screen television, Blu-ray player, and you also have a number of connections there for plugging some items in, connecting up some HDMI items, maybe a Fire Stick, maybe a Chromecast, and of course, underneath that television, you also have a fireplace for those cold summer nights. Now let's head in and take a look at the bedroom. A beautiful bedroom here, nicely decorated, large king-size bed in here, and a great view out the window there. Lets in a lot of light. There is also a nice ceiling fan in here, and of course, a chest of drawers built into the wall there with a large flat screen LG television there hung up above. On each side of the television, you do have some closets. This one here has the ironing board and some extra bedding. And this one on the right hand side is where you'll find the in-room safe along with additional storage. Now let's head in and take a look at the large bathroom. This is perhaps one of the best bathrooms, nicest bathrooms that we've seen and come across in a timeshare villa. A large jetted tub here, tucked over here on the side. Great place to relax and unwind at the end of a day. There's also a huge double vanity with very large lighted mirror. Like I said, this bathroom is just beautiful. Definitely top notch. And in here you also have a beautiful walk-in shower with a fantastic overhead rain shower head, as well as a handheld shower wand. Now let's make our way back out, and we're going to head out to the patio. Okay, so I've made it out to our patio here in our one-bedroom premium villa at the Westin Kierland Villas. Not too bad of a patio, a little on the smaller side, so not too big, but it does have some nice patio furniture out here. Have a nice wooden bench, a couple of chairs, nice little table there as well, instead of that kind of usual metal or even sometimes plastic table and chairs, kind of patio table and chairs that a lot of timeshare villas have. There is a nice ceiling fan out here as well, but I do notice, kind of looking around, there is no electrical outlet, so you won't be able to plug in anything out here unless you run an extension cord to inside. So that's a little bit disappointing, but really a nice patio here. We are on the ground floor. Kind of does overlook the courtyard here at the Westin Kierland Villas. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. Helps tell YouTube, hey, great videos. Let's push them out to more people looking to come here to this resort and even to the Scottsdale area. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about the Westin Kierland Villas, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They're pretty sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.